Donaldson is one of the leading companies in terms of filtration solution. So we work for industrial market, we work for transportation market, truck and buses and all kind of vehicle. And we have one division focusing on aerospace and defense. On aerospace and defense, we're going to provide liquid filtration, air filtration for aircraft, for helicopter, and on the defense side, what we call defense is ground vehicle. And myself, I'm in charge of the aerospace business for all Europe, Middle East and Africa. This year we decided to have an associate sponsorship, so the idea was to have some presence during the conference, but also to be able to make a 30-minute presentation in front of the audience. So we try to target a presentation that will be of interest for the audience, and then to be able to network with various delegations to understand is our product aligned with the need and what can we do to help them for their operations. Clearly, Donaldson Aerospace can provide a wide range of products, but we have one specific product which is for engine helicopter protection, where we're trying to increase the knowledge of the product in the market for Europe, Middle East, Africa, because we have a very heavy footprint in US, but we are weak in Europe, so we need to increase this. So this was the opportunity to meet some of the key players in the European market, and specifically on the military side of the market, to try to understand how we can better promote our products and to see what are the opportunities and then to develop the market. The biggest challenges was that it was not expected for us to sponsor this event, so we had to review the budget. So we had to make a trade-off between what could be the benefit of participating in this event versus the budget that was not expected. And looking at the potential delegation during the conference, it was a quick decision to say, okay, let's go, we have to do it and see if there is a real benefit for us or not. I didn't know exactly what to expect. I didn't know what would be the format of the conference because it was the first time I was participating. And I think the mix of having presentation and small time for networking, but with a very small environment, not a big show like any Farnborough or Le Bourget Air Show, is very good to be able to speak directly to some of the key decision makers and to understand what are their problematics and see how we can find a solution for them. So the format is very, very interesting. The biggest difference is the fact that it's not a show, it's a conference. So it's really focused on a given part of the market, I would say. And also, once again, this time of networking, it's something you may have to some extent when you go to big shows like Le Bourget, Farnborough or Elitech, but you don't have the same kind of focus that you may have in such conference. So it's a different public you will touch, and it's probably a different way also of approaching the public. And that's why this mix of presentation, networking is very good. It's clearly, if they want to develop their product or the name or the knowledge of their product in the military industry for helicopter, this is clearly the kind of event they should attend. I didn't know what to expect because it was the first time, and I'm quite pleased with some first lead we created during the event. And I will say, the format also of presenting the first day, doing the 30-minute presentation the first day, is also giving the opportunity for the different delegation to digest what you presented and then to come with very specific questions. So from that point of view, it exceeded my expectation, yes. Clearly, I think we identified, I would say, 3 or 4 potential opportunities where we have to follow up with the people and see how we can navigate through sometimes a difficult organization of the various army organization, who is making the decision about making an investment and so on. So we have identified some key people. We need to go further to see how we can move from having this contact to real opportunities, but I would say 3 or 4 good contacts to maybe further opportunities. I'm very pleased with how it was organized, the format of the conference. So thanks to you, all of you, for your help. Having you doing the different network time, trying to bring to us the people we want to meet is very useful, because then we can focus on, okay, what do we want to say to these people, trying to understand exactly what are their concerns. I'm not trying to say, okay, when should I go to see this person, to the best time to go to see this person, because we know we have you in the place to be able to help us with that. So that's very good. So thank you for that.